Welcome, friends. Today, we are doing another unboxing video. Marvelous. That is right, my friends. Once again, I have returned to you with another unboxing video. How fun. So, recently I have been looking around for new fragrances, and I felt the pull. I felt the pull from a few different fragrances. Last week, I went on a bit of a buying, I don't want to say a buying spree, but I bought 4 bottles, I bought a backup bottle of Melt My Heart by Strangelove, which was very cheap considering, it wasn't cheap in an absolute sense, but it was cheap compared to what they usually charge, or what the retail is. And I also bought a bottle of Noir de Noir by Tom Ford, a fragrance that I've wanted for years and years. And I managed to get one, and it was a very good price, and it was a gold batch code edition, which is the older form, And it was a 2016 bottle, so I was pretty pleased. Got a couple of good fragrances there for good prices, but that didn't stop there. Oh no. I bought another fragrance, which I'm not unboxing today, but which will come in the post, hopefully this week. And then I bought this fragrance, which I am unboxing today, and the name of that fragrance is Gallop de Hermes. Now, this perfume is £220 at retail. And I managed to get it on Vinted, which is a website in Europe selling various wares. It's a bit like eBay, but I think it's more for like second-hand stuff. But this is, as you can see, sealed and everything. I'm pretty chuffed. I managed to get this and this, which is the refill, for £200. And I was pretty pleased about that. I was pretty pleased because this would usually set me back closer to 400, So I've basically got it half price for sealed Hermes produce. That is kind of how it's done, or how I want it to be done. There are still savings to be had. We just have to work hard for them. But by the same token, you can also get ripped off out there. So be careful. Anyway, we will get to said unboxing. Right. First off, we will do the refill. Now, I am just gonna unbox this because usually I wouldn't, but I do want to make sure it's real since I didn't buy it from, I didn't buy it from retail or anything like that. I'm not going to buy it from retail, the prices they charge, am I? So without trying to break everything here, I will just waffle for a moment and allow my nimble digits to get in here, hopefully, and make sure that all is well. Oh, open. There you go. That's it. Let us have a look. I haven't destroyed the plastic, which is new for me. There we go. Very unusual for me to manage to get away without destroying the plastic, as you can see there. I think I've done all right there. Pretty pleased about that. So this will go back into its home. Jesus. Yes, that's very nice. This will go back into its box. Smells good. Looks good. And this one I'm less bothered about because this is the actual perfume I am going to wear. pure perfume concentration. I didn't know that. So it's not going to be some kind of massive like projecting heathen, you know, some kind of mega beast. I don't know what the terminology is now. I'm sure it's not mega heathen. What all the influencers say, you know. That said, I don't want to be associated with what the influencers say. Oh. So this is the box it comes in. It's yellow, the box, which is strange. I'm not sure I would have associated this fragrance with the colour yellow. It's quite a heavy box, actually. Feels like there's something underneath there, but there isn't. A nice little Hermes pouch. And then a nice little Hermes bottle. How fun. I thought this came with a tassel. I don't know why I thought that. This is one of the finest bottles out there. This is what, like, fragrances, they used to do this kind of thing, you know? They used to make bottles like this. That is just not going to behave whatsoever. I don't know if you can see that there. That says Gallop de Hermes. There is the bottle, and I will spray this upon my person just to make sure that everything is above board, but I'm sure it is. I have the person's address and they live in the same city that I do. Oh, yes. Oh, that is absolutely lovely. I'll tell you what this reminds me of. It's like the rose from Mur Eglantine and the leather from Cuir d'Ange. And it's the best bits of both. And I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. It really is. If you smell those two fragrances, Mur Eglantine and Cuir d'Ange, this smell... Oh, it's gorgeous. This is a standalone fragrance. It doesn't have any flankers. Thank God. But it's potent. It doesn't have any flankers, and what it does is it proves that this kind of perfumery is still possible, that designers can still put out stuff like this. They're just not doing that, you know. There's a few I mean, H24 I didn't like. Not the original one. I smelled Hermes Vives the other day, and I thought that was okay. My God, that is strong. This is beautiful. It really is an absolutely gorgeous fragrance. Fresh, like rosy rose, and then this really very Hermes-esque leather. It's like it smells like it smells like you've got some rose oil inside a leather handbag. You know, you've polished your handbag with like rose oil. High-end rose oil. It's fucking gorgeous. Anyway, I think I made 4 extremely good purchases last week. The next one should be arriving soon. So I hope you will all tune in then. And I will see you again soon. Bye.